Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by PropertyCozy.com. Best of both worlds. Located just a few miles away from the tourism haven of St. Anne, and elevated in the cool luscious breadfruit parish. This newly constructed 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom house is decorated in sheer modern elegance, inviting the homeowner to bask in the immaculate ambience of a never-ending sanctuary. Suited with a private pool that caters to a refreshing experience. This lovely home awaits and encompasses the making of new fond memories, featuring spacious bedrooms en suite with walk-in closets and built-in kitchen. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US $690,000 or Jamaican $106.1 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you can visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.